Are you a micro entrepreneur looking to take control of your finances without breaking the bank on accounting services? Good news, you can learn to do your own bookkeeping using tools like Xero, QuickBooks Online, or even Excel. You can go visit our website at taxdesign.com and download free Excel templates. It might seem complicated, but with the right coach, you can manage your books efficiently, save money, and get a clear picture of your business financial health. Let's explore three popular tools for do it yourself bookkeeping. We have Xero, QuickBooks Online, and Excel. Xero is a cloud based accounting software that automates much of your bookkeeping. It's great for entrepreneurs who want an easy to use system with built in invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reports. Xero offers pricing plans for you to choose from. The first one is the early plan, the next one is growing, and then finally we have established. Xero allows you to create invoices, categorize your transactions, and produces the reports that you need for tax season. We have the balance sheet and the income statement, which is the profit and loss report. QuickBooks Online is a powerhouse in the world of small business accounting. You can choose plans that are right for your business. We have the Simple Start, Plus, and Advanced. Then there's Excel, a low-cost option. While it's not as automated, it's highly flexible, allowing you to customize your spreadsheet to fit your business needs. Great for those who like to work hands-on. Remember, you can head to my website at taxdesign.com to download a few free Excel templates. Now that you know the tools, here are a few tips for getting started. 1. Start simple. Begin by tracking basic income and expenses. All three tools offer templates or features that make this easy. In one of our previous Xero tutorials, you can learn how to create invoices and add payments. In QuickBooks Online, you can manually add a new sales receipt or a bank deposit. Otherwise, you can wait until your transaction has been imported into QuickBooks Online and you can click match your deposit to your invoice. To record an expense in Xero, first you want to identify which account it came from. Let's say it's the checking account. Click on New Transaction. Leave it on New Spent Money. Put the name of the vendor. Add a description, the amount, and the account. And then click Save. In QuickBooks Online, to add a new expense transaction, click on New Expense, add the payee, make sure you select the correct payment account, change the payment date, add the category, and click Save. To access your reports, click on Reports. Here's the balance sheet, and here's the profit. In one of our videos, we walk you through the steps on how to add income and expenses to your Excel template. Keep it consistent. Set aside time each week to update your book so you don't fall behind. Taking charge of your bookkeeping not only saves money, but it also gives you more insight into your business financial health. You will know exactly where you stand, making it easier to make smart business decisions. So whether you choose Xero, QuickBooks Online, or Excel, learning to manage your own books is an investment in your business future. Start small, stay consistent, and soon you'll feel like a pro. Want more tips on managing your small business? Hit subscribe and we'll help you along the way.